Alright guys, I'm back at it. Y'all see what I see? Yeah, Snap-on Man just walked through the shop. First time he ever gave me one of those looks. It was one of those looks like, remember what we said last week, guys? You know, you remember our agreement. Because we have nothing on paper. I didn't want to fill out all this paperwork and do all this stuff, so we merely made a verbal agreement that I finish him off. And that's what I plan to do, because I don't like reoccurring bills from the Snap-on truck. All right, so I don't know if he on here, but he talked me. He want me to come back on the truck. I could have easily gave him the $15. I guess he think he gonna trick me into looking around, and I can't resist and buy some more stuff. But I don't think that's gonna happen, guys. I'm not one of those guys. Truck guy. Is he even on here? Hey. How you doing up here, killer? You already got everything. What's up, man? So, everybody could use a good splitter, guys. You only want to split it once. I'm waiting on y'all, man. What y'all doing? Y'all taking too long. Ooh. Look at the pretty gauges. Ooh. Well, no, guys. We use a AC machine, so So he's about to leave, guys, so it's my turn to pay my little remaining balance, $15. That's it, guys. I don't think he's going to be able to talk me into buying nothing else. I'm just not like that. It's my last $20. All right. What we got here? 12-point metric axle nut set? What the hell is an axle nut? Ooh, big boys. Big boy set. Okay. Alrighty, that looks like it's out of my range. We went over the nice scan tool last time. AC and fuel, see, stuff like that. That's not even Snap, that's Blue Point. So, alright guys, let me pay my bill. Alright, what's my little old balance? I ain't balling like killing. So. Dude, man, what kind of license you need to drive this truck? Diesel class C, A, or regular? I thought when it get big like that, it
doesn't pass over 26,000 pounds.
Oh, they go by pounds.
Because even in Georgia, it has air brakes that don't matter. It goes by the length and the weight. All you need is a.
What's your cockpit look like? Like, oh, two people can get up here? I thought you needed a special license to drive this thing. Oh, nothing special about that. So the regular license I have can,
Yep.
Here, man, finish me off. What's my balance? Well, you did put me in the system. They go big money right here. 1848. Yeah, finish that off. Oh, they make these already pre-set up 10 millimeters. That's the one we use the most. Y'all see that? Socket built onto it, so it's quick grab. Just grab it, pick it up to your ratchet, and go. Now, I guess you limited the length that you need, but if you know you need one like this all the time, go for it. That's what I say. My motto. You don't know nothing about that, Ricky. That's that big boy engine, engine type stuff, Ricky. It's PDIs, Ricky. They don't need a torque wrench to do PDIs, Ricky. Uh-oh, what's that? Oh, cut exhaust. Right, they cut pipes.
No, they don't cut. They put it around the damn pulley or whatever and put it on and pull it down and holds the pulley so you bust the nut loose.
Oh, that's one of those exhaust cut.
That's what I got using that Highlander bar to crank that can pull it off.
Uh-oh. Damn, I don't even get a bill back? Good Lord.
Chain shortage.
You just got a prairie right.
There's no more balance. A decade. It's the last time I seen one of these was 10 years ago, guys. Over 10 years ago. Over a decade ago. What were we in? 2020? 2010 probably last time I seen a Snap-on bill. What we got here? A portable scan tool. No, just a code reader. I think this is what they use at AutoZone, don't they? Guys, this, you can't beat this. I got one of these. studs, wheel lugs and nuts. Yes, these work great. I had to get one. Liza, real good tool there, man. They're on the Snap-on truck, by the way. In fact, Snipe-on do. Hey man, what you trying to say? They got Miller contract, right?
Huh?
They Snap-on do all the Miller tools, right? Am I correct on that? Gary don't know. He holding back information. Like if I need a Miller tool, I get it. Don't y'all have a Miller tool contract or something like that?
No, SPX got it.
You sure?
So,
I thought it was Snap-on.
Because
Because there's no more Miller tool. I can't get on Miller, the specialty tool that we need for Chrysler sometimes. Where you get your 3.6 tool at? See, why don't you take it out of the plastic so we can see? So we can analyze it. What is that, man? Inquiring minds want to know. Oh, they letting now see what if somebody want to buy it new already in the plastic. You done let Gary sit here and open it.
I'm gonna keep that on. That way they'll do that.
Here you go. Drum roll, please. That is
Decoupling kit.
a what?
Decoupling kit.
What are you decoupling?
Hamstring pulleys.
Oh, all the pulleys. Yeah, all that. Hey man, yeah, don't let that. I know, right? That's very important. Go and get you one, Gary, so I can use it when I borrow. Hey Gary, look what I seen. We was just talking about you. I said the last time I needed one of these, I had to borrow Gary's. But see, Gary, he make all the money in the shop, y'all. Just so y'all know, he's the highest paid guy in the freaking shop. He threatened to quit one time. He got $5 more just not to quit. That's how good he is. If I threaten to quit, they say, when you leave it. They will rush me out. You know, we don't need a notice. Just go ahead and leave, buddy. Well, that's where it going. I know, man. It's long and everything. Oh, 1/4 inch. Both of them 1/4 inch. Do you? Well, what you looking at? What you looking at? Where? Oh, the toolbox?
Right here, that toolbox. It's too small, but it's fine.
If that roll car wasn't pink, I may consider it.
But you ain't manly enough to
You can make a man question his sexuality. It should be blue, man. It'd been gone if it was blue. Just saying. The pink roll cart. It make people question their sexuality. Oh, Gary, what about it? Oh, another box over here. Well, what you see? What you see? What's so special about that?
Look here, Jay.
I mean, you going woo woo woo.
Talking to the mic. Talking to the mic a little bit.
No, you going woo woo like it's something.
I said,
No, just because it's camouflage and I'm white don't mean shit.
Oh, it's camouflage.
How you know that
That whole camouflage.
It's a good spot for a candy boat.
Oh yeah.
I'm on here with some co-workers acting a fool. These big money boys on here.
What you got? Look.
No, cause you over there drooling. You over here drooling. What's that?
Real tour, man.
What is that? What's
You
the kind of
gotta
draw?
do like the other YouTubers.
What kind of draw is that? Wow, wrench drawer.
Yeah, go to. You can't keep yours.
The wrench section. Here, open this.
You
How you
gotta
open
be
this?
innocent. Look at him.
I couldn't open it earlier. Oh, you pushing something under the bottom?
This man got
See,
so much
my-
money
no,
that
my-
he say open something and look, everybody open something.
No, I don't know how to open it. I tried earlier.
That's a
I'm
real
down here
YouTuber
doing one of
right
them.
Look, look. Even
Wow.
Scotty Kilmore ain't got
Scotty Kilmore.
Look at that, look at that.
Oh, them toke rings, he got those all up here. So they already out of the box.
Oh, you gonna make me have to watch that video. No. I'm
Nah,
like,
man.
leave the audio.
Maybe one day I'll let JT come over and do a toolbox tour out of my area.
Man, you got the nicest set over there, Ricky. I know, right? Ricky got the nicest setup in the whole shop. I know, right? I'm done, man. If I stay on here too long, you're gonna run up. Yeah, you're gonna run up all my footage.
Huh? What you talking about?
All right, guys. I had enough fun. That was fun, guys. A couple of co-workers on the Snap-on truck. See what I'm saying? So that's a wrap for me, man. We was on that clowning, man, but I'm gonna get out of here, man. Those guys cool, but I'm paid off, baby. I can't do it, man. I can't do the $100 a week thing like some of these guys. I just can't do it, man. Not that I can't afford it. I just can't see myself doing it. So I'm done for the day, guys. Let me go back in the shop, see what's going on. All right, that was my last and final Snap-on trip. It will be this time in 2030. Probably the next time I'll be on a Snap-on trip. Oh God, that is a long time. We're talking about another decade, guys. So if I keep up with this trajectory that I'm on, which is every 10 years, yes, it will be 2030 before I end up on a Snap-on truck again. All right, guys, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Come and subscribe. See y'all in the next video.